As COVID cases grow across the Northern Territory, so too does confusion from health groups about why there's a lack of information from the NT government.
It's always better, I think, for public morale for authority figures to actually inform the public. So I think it will be better for the government to have a press conference.
Perhaps they're doing this to stop everyone worrying and putting panic throughout the Darwin area.
Despite 12 new COVID cases recorded overnight, for the fourth day in a row, the government has failed to front up for its daily COVID press conference, instead releasing a statement in which it said among the new infections were 2 local cases in Tennant Creek, both household contacts of previous cases, 5 interstate arrivals who were all isolating, and 3 close contacts of interstate travellers. The cases also include a woman in her 60s from Darwin, the source of whose infection is not yet known. NT Health said in a statement that contact tracing was underway in relation to that mystery case, but they didn't give any further information about whether she was infectious in the community, where she tested positive, and any exposure sites she may have visited.
It's concerning that the government aren't coming out and advising the public of what's going on. I had a quick look today at the exposure sites. There's been no updates on that for quite a while, and that is something that Territorians need to know.
Questions also remain about a doctor at Royal Darwin Hospital who tested positive to COVID over the weekend, who was infectious in the community, with details scarce on his close contacts. And with the number of people with COVID in hospital rising to 15, including 1 in ICU, there are concerns about whether the health system can cope.
I know Tennant Creek and Alice Springs are really at crisis point, particularly Tennant Creek Hospital. They've had quite a number of cases over this past 5 to 6 days, and they're really having short staffed.
And cases could also be spreading further into the bush, with COVID-positive wastewater detected in Nhulunbuy since Saturday. Authorities are urging people in the East Arnhem Township to get tested. Husni Shams, ABC News.